so we are in the shop. It is Tuesday. You guys will be seeing these videos probably a week late. We didn't get a chance to do any video editing today, so everything will be a day later than what it actually should be. Usually we video like Monday night, it comes out Tuesday. So, but this will be, we videoed Monday night and it'll be coming out Wednesday. Tuesday night will be coming out Thursday. So, a little bit delayed. We apologize for that. But anyway, so Brad's been working on packing bearings. See him here? He's got the bearing in there. Magnolia is helping. She's being a great assistant. So he's actually getting this one all assembled for good. And then he's gonna work on the left side. And then, gotta do rears. Huh?
I might go the right rear.
Well, I mean, it ain't gotta be in the specific order.
Get out of the grease. Kid.
Look at that shirt. We gotta point it out when he wears it.
Get out of the grease.
But anyway, I know I've kind of talked about our t-shirt deal a couple of times, so I just kind of wanted to tell you guys about that. Check us out on Facebook, Barry Apparel Company, just CO. And then we have a website up and going as well. That's barryapparelco.com. You can check us out there. You can send us a message if there's anything that you want that is personalized or anything that you're thinking of that I don't have the design on there. Just message us. We can pretty much do anything. I've actually did some racing shirts, not really racing shirts. We did a logo shirt for Brian Dodgen. He's got a YouTube channel. So we did some shirts for him today. I did some shirts for my family for Halloween, and did some more customer shirts, more Days of Dirt, bleach shirts, just several different things. I'll get pretty much everything I do, I post on there on the Facebook page, so check us out there. We can also do screen printing. On there is mostly the sublimination, which is what I mostly do, and Brad mostly does all the screen printing. If anything has to be designed, that is most of the time Brad, because I'm not a good designer, and that's the part that we're still trying to figure out and still learning is design. Neither one of us come from a background like that, so we're figuring it out as we go. But we appreciate everybody's support that has shown us support so far. It's been great. It's been fun. I love doing it. T-shirts is definitely what I've always kind of gravitated toward and what I've always really enjoyed doing. So anyway, check us out there, Facebook and barryapparelco.com. Let's get over here and see what Brad's doing. Are you helping, Dada? Okay, ignore our clothes being just a little bit too little. They're shop clothes, so we don't care. We're gonna ruin them anyway.
All right, let me see it. Thank you. Good job.
Look at that belly. Woo, Maggie. Tell everybody hey. Hey. You are so freaking cute. Uh-oh, Maggie. Who's in here? Jack. She heard him. Go get him.
Who is that? Who is that, Jack?
Alright, Christopher showed up. Brad is working on the left front over here like I told you guys he was going to, even though he was being a little bit of a smart butt. We've had a comment, we actually had a comment the other day talking about how Brad talked to me. That's definitely not the case. He's just an idiot, and most times he's extremely sarcastic and acts like he's a butthead, and he's really not. And so Brad is packing some bearings. What is that, Dad? Why is it? Just because it's... How does that work?
What?
You just always done it by hand.
Yeah, I changed it up this time. Figured I'd do something different.
Why? Because you keep having so many bearing failures?
Yep. I gotta take Jack. He's gotta go.
She's gonna go poop. Jack poop. He's coming back, baby. People will come back. Jack's not coming back. Jack's gonna go back inside.
Jack gotta go poop.
You need to go poop? Look at her smile. What? That is some weird looking grease.
It is a little different looking.
So what do you do with all that? Waste it?
No. I'll put it back in the container. Do you really think I'm gonna waste anything?
Well, I mean, I wasn't sure how you would get it back in there, so I was wondering.
You take your finger. Just keep wiping it up. And it just gets reused. Of course, this only works if it's new bearings and new grease and all that. You ain't got it.
Mommy.
What, baby? You can go. You're not stuck. No, you're not. Go. You're not stuck.
You're getting grease all over you, by the way.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, you really was.
No, I'm not. The elephant come along good?
Hmm?
The elephant come along good?
Yeah, the prostate was a little tight, but it worked.
What, you got leaf? Leaf?
Installed.
Say good job, Daddy.
I beat you, Maggie. Leave it there.
What, baby? What? You had it. I think our almost 2-year-old's smarter than most people. Most grown people. She's a people. What, baby? You can't get it? Don't you put that on the camera. Magnolia! Stop! She's putting this on the camera. Quit! Alright guys, so it wouldn't be us if we didn't have a dilemma every week. But show them what's going on, babe. Alright, so these little bad boys go in the hubs so that everything spins freely and you're not having to adjust on them. But anyway, you can kind of see what threads. You have to adjust them to see exactly where you want everything to be, and the set screw that should be right there is missing. So that's not something that's easily replaceable. Hand that back to him. It's not something that's easily replaceable, so we're just gonna have to find one or buy another thing. I don't really know what we're gonna do there. But anyway, Christopher is back here starting to work on rebuilding these calipers here. So you can see he's got them all apart. And you just have to put this piece of wood in here, just like this, and then blow air in it and it pops them out. I'll show you guys that on the next one he does. Right now he's working on the right rear caliper there. Alright guys, so he's still working on this. He does have this one over here on, or I lied, he does not have that one on because he is waiting on the, what is it called?
Set screw.
Yeah, he's going to have to call them in the morning and see if we can have one to us by Saturday. So I guess that's what this one is right here.
Yep.
Just ready to be put on. So he's still packing these. This is the right rear. And then he'll have all these on And then he's gonna get to work on these brake calipers over here. They're still where I showed you guys the other day. Chris don't want to mess them up, so he got them apart, but that's as far as we've got them so far. Why are you cooking? Huh. Oh, you unscrewing it? God, it's so much grease. Figuring it out, ain't you? Oh, guess I can show that. Alright, so same thing that he's been doing. He's gonna work on this one, and then we'll see where he goes next. Chris, what are you doing? Just admiring your cleaning up work?
Cleaning.
What are you doing? Making a mess?
Recycling.
Good job. Alright, so he's recycling. This guy, I don't know what in the heck he's doing. He's got a Dremel out. What?
Open.
No, thank you. Your Dremel tool came out, Christopher. Are you supposed to do anything with that?
I was going to do some dental work, but
It didn't work to you.
yeah, Brandon needs dental work again. We'll just do it with it.
Yeah, when he needs something picked out.
Yeah.
You said you're not going to work on this one? Oh, good.
No, I ain't got no. That's Dremel tools.
They look so shiny. They look like they got glitter everywhere.
Them got diamond tips.
No, it don't. You're so full of... Look, he said it's got diamond tips.
$400 set.
Yeah. Brad? That scared me. I know you ain't fixing to spend no $400 on nothing. I bet you paid $5 for them.
That is gold diamond tips right there.
Yeah, right.
I need to put them back up.
You paid more for them than you did your car back there? Is that what you're saying?
Yep. Hey, come here.
She walks up, she's already been over it.
Was that fun?
Alright, it's just cleaning up everything. You getting ready to call it a night?
Yeah, I think so. About all I can get done tonight.
You ain't got all the tools any day, do you?
Huh?
You can have all your tools in one day, you might get a lot done.
I'm telling you, we might be dangerous then, reckon.
Probably not.
What, baby?
Daddy,
Oh.
she pulled off her shirt. She said, Daddy! Alright, but anyway, all the hubs. So that one is on. That one is on. Walk around here to this one. This one is on. This one is not on because that is the one that we're waiting on the bearing spacer nut thing, that whatever it's called, that he lost somehow. So you'll have to call them in the morning and see if we can get some of those sent to us by the weekend. What is that called again?
What?
What's that nut called again?
Set
Or that screw?
Set screw.
Set screw. Yeah, that's what we're missing. Set screw for it. For the bearing spacer. Look at her. She's prancing. That's going to finish us up tonight. Thanks to all of our sponsors, KT Heating and Air, Warp Speed Performance Parts, Outer Vision Roofing and Exteriors, Vinson Race Engines, and Brand Transmission. Thanks to all those guys that make it possible for us. Thanks to all you guys for watching. Week in, week out, sometimes every day. We greatly appreciate all of you guys over here. That's going to finish us up tonight. We're at a standstill because we don't have any Scotch-Brite pads. What?
That's Scotch-Brite.
That is not a Scotch-Brite. That is a grinder thing. All right, but anyway, that's going to finish us up tonight. It's been a night of just trying to get as much done as we can get done. We're, like I said, at a standstill. It's 7:30. And what are you doing? Brian's telling me to hurry up. So anyway, hope you guys have a great week. We'll see you soon. So obviously we're doing a little experiment here. He said for me to think of my number, and I just thought about my number. So I don't really know what in the crap we're doing. I'm sure he's seen this on TikTok.
What number was it?
Can I tell you?
Yeah.
15.
Okay. Think of a part of your body.
Okay.
Hang on. I gotta try to guess it.
This guy in TikTok, I'm sure he's seen this 14 times on TikTok. That's the only reason we're doing it.
What body part did you say?
Boobs.
Good God. Okay. Think of somebody. It can be anybody.
Okay.
Who did you think of?
Magnolia.
Think of up or down.
Okay.
Alright. So, you said the number you was thinking of?
Mm-hmm.
What'd you say?
15. 15.
And the body part you said?
Boobs. Hold on, I gotta get over there closer.
What does that say?
Boobs. And show him the number. I said 15. He wrote 15.
And who did you say you was thinking about?
Maggie.
And what'd you say? Up or down?
You didn't ask me that, but I said down.
Yes, I did.
Oh.
You said down.
Well, that arrow could be either way.
Uh-uh.
Yeah.
I said an arrow.
No, you
I
said
said
think of something up or down.
Hey, I got it right though, didn't I? I got every one of them right.
How did you do that? Because you know me.
I read your mind.
So it's easy.
I read your mind.
Dang, I should have thought of the awful number. That was too easy for you.
What?
I made those way too easy.
That ain't my fault.
I should have made them harder.
That's not my
Guys, that's going to wrap us up tonight. We hope you guys have enjoyed this video. We will see you back in the shop tomorrow on Wednesday. Like I said earlier on in the videos will be a week late. So you'll see Monday's video on Wednesday, Tuesday's video on Thursday, and then so on. So we apologize for that, but that's just how it's going to be this week. Hope you guys have a great week. See you soon.